I want to show you something that breaks the rules. Two particles, separated by the width of a galaxy, somehow know what the other is doing, instantly. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance because it bothered him. But if matter can be non-local, existing in relationship across space, what does that mean for your mind? For the next 3 minutes, we're separating what physics actually shows us from what we hope it might mean. And the reality, stranger than the speculation. Quantum entanglement. Two particles interact, then separate. Measure one, and it instantly correlates with the other. Not because they're sending signals, but because they share a quantum state. Bell tests have closed loophole after loophole, confirming these correlations are stronger than any classical explanation allows. But you can't use entanglement to send information faster than light. The observer effect. In quantum experiments, measurement changes the system. Not because consciousness is magic, but because measurement is physical interaction. Decoherence explains why we don't see quantum weirdness at human scales. The environment constantly measures things, collapsing possibilities. Now, non-local awareness. This is where we leave solid ground. The hypothesis. Consciousness might access information beyond the brain's physical location. Some researchers propose quantum effects in microtubules, structural proteins inside neurons, might play a role.
The idea.
Quantum coherence surviving long enough in the brain's warm, wet environment to matter. Quantum effects appear in photosynthesis, bird navigation. But whether they scale to consciousness, whether they survive neural timescales and temperatures, most neuroscientists remain skeptical. We have overwhelming evidence consciousness correlates tightly with brain states. Damage the brain, damage the mind. Localized, physical, measurable. So what do we actually know? Physics. Non-local correlations are real. Particles connected in ways that defy everyday intuition about space. Neuroscience. Awareness is tightly coupled to brain activity. Local, physical, contained. Non-local consciousness sits in the gap between these facts. The experiments are hard, the theory incomplete, the definitions fuzzy. Some researchers are looking. Most haven't found anything compelling, which means either the effect doesn't exist, or we haven't figured out how to look, or we're asking the wrong question entirely. Your mind feels like it's inside your head because that's where the processing happens. But the experience of being you, that immediate, undeniable sense of awareness, we still don't fully understand where that comes from. And until we do, questions like this aren't just allowed. They're necessary. Does your mind exist beyond your brain? The honest answer, we don't know yet. The physics of non-locality is real and verified. The neuroscience of consciousness is local and measurable. Whether those two facts ever meet in a meaningful way, that's the experiment we're still running. Keep wondering, keep questioning, and keep your mind open to the possibility that the universe is weirder than we've imagined, but also more knowable than we fear. And as always, thanks for watching.